Pnawn da, croeso. Good afternoon and welcome to the Class of 2021 virtual celebration. I'm Steve Riley, I'm the head of the School of Medicine. I'm absolutely delighted that you've been able to join us today to celebrate your time here at Cardiff University and to mark this momentous point in your lives. I hope that wherever you're watching today, you're able to take some time to reflect on what you have achieved and to celebrate with your family, friends and loved ones. It has undoubtedly been a tough couple of years for us all, and you should be extremely proud of the hard work and determination that you've shown during this time, as well as the sacrifices that you've made to get to this point today. Though it is unfortunate we're not able to get together as a school and celebrate as we normally would during graduation week, I'm extremely pleased that we were able to bring all of you together in some way, albeit virtually. I'd also like to recognise the hard work and dedication of your teachers and the faculty of my colleagues that have been able to get you to this point. It's really been a tough year for everybody so far. At the end of this virtual celebration event, there'll be an opportunity for you to watch messages of congratulations from staff within the school and supporters, details of which I'll provide to you later on. So for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the celebration. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Helo, a chroeso cynnes I ddosbarth 2021. Teulu a ffrindiau, staff a chynfyfyrwyr. Fi yw'r Arthur Colin Reardon, clywydd ac Ysgol Prifysgol Caerdydd. Hello and a warm welcome to our celebration today. I'm Professor Colin Reardon, President and Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. Thank you to the class of 2021, to friends and family, and to staff and alumni for joining us for this virtual celebration. Graduation is the highlight of the university calendar. It's a time to mark your achievements and to reflect on your time here with us at Cardiff. We wanted to celebrate now to mark your special moment. We also look forward to an in-person ceremony when we can do that here in Cardiff with friends, family, your school, and all of the pomp and circumstance you'd expect. As everybody knows, in the last 18 months, we faced challenges on a scale that we haven't seen since the Second World War. In a world we could never have predicted, Cardiff University has had to change everything we do, from teaching, research and exams, to our accommodation and libraries. We've also had to adapt quickly throughout this time based on how the coronavirus itself was changing and circulating in our communities. The whole of our Cardiff University community, including you, our students and our staff, have had to work hard together to stay as safe as possible and to continue our journeys of learning and discovery. There now appears to be light at the end of the tunnel thanks to our amazing vaccination programme and the incredible restraint and maturity you have all shown. Indeed, throughout the pandemic, you, our students, have been quite wonderful. I'm so grateful for the patience and understanding you've shown, and I'm very proud of your willingness, determination and tenacity. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd. Thank you all very much. Of course, Cardiff University has a long history of remaining resilient in the face of adversity and coming through the other side even stronger. This pandemic will be another milestone in our history, and you, the extraordinary class of 2021, will be a central part of that. A Cardiff University degree is a fantastic achievement, and you've taken yours at a time of extraordinary events. It must have been very challenging to have your time here at Cardiff so altered by coronavirus. But I hope coming to university here has given you more than a degree. I hope it's given you great friends and special memories. There are so many opportunities whilst you study with us. You might have joined a students' union club or society, volunteered or spent time abroad, or indeed done all three. You may have helped a housemate, championed a cause, or started a new hobby. Whatever shape your own story has taken, I hope that the Cardiff University experience and values will stay with you forever. Today you join the Cardiff University alumni community of over 175,000 graduates. Cardiff alumni are great global citizens. Some are activists and have high profiles, others are quiet, solid contributors to their communities. But in all cases, a real hallmark of our Cardiff family is kindness and generosity of spirit. I encourage you to bring Cardiff's values wherever life takes you. Bring your passion for learning, your commitment to community, and your compassion and kindness to everything you do. It may not be easy at this juncture, but just as you've done during your time at Cardiff, I know you'll embrace future challenges with courage and determination. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, of memories. We hope you'll keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. Please do stay in touch. Come and visit us often, and act as an ambassador for Cardiff wherever your life takes you, because Cardiff will always be your university. For now, I hope you'll celebrate with your families, friends, loved ones and your schools, and I look forward to seeing you here in Cardiff next year so we can celebrate your achievements in person. Congratulations, llongyfarchiadau. I wish you all every success.
My name is Mallory Williams, and I will now read the Class of 2021 proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodaeth. Gadewch chi holl aelodau'r Brifysgol a ledled y byd wybod bod cynulliad rhythwyr yn digwydd heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru ac ar-lein. Rydym yn cwrdd ar-lein i gydnabod myfyrwyr 2021. Rydym yn dathlu llwyddiant pob myfyriwr yn y cynulliad rhythwyr hwn a drwy wneud hynny yn ei hatgoffa o'i cyfrifoldeb i rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. I cyfrifoldeb nhw yw ceisio drwy llwyddiannau i wasanaethu lles pawb, i ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhopeth a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Rhowch sylw i ddoethineb am ei fod yn cynnig gobeith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales and online, a virtual congregation is taking place. We meet online to acknowledge our class of 2021 students. We celebrate the success of all students in this virtual congregation and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence in all things and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
So, to the class of 2021 at Cardiff University, my warmest congratulations on your success. Llongyfarchion mawr I chi gyd. Today marks the end of a special chapter in your lives and the beginning of a very exciting new chapter. Now, to get to this point is already a significant achievement, and gaining a degree in such challenging circumstances should be a matter of great pride to you all. So allow yourselves to bask in the praise of family and friends. As we all know, the pandemic has had a devastating impact on many millions of lives, and the effects will be with us for years to come. But I'm confident that you'll emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient. I hate to say this, it was 1983 when I attended my own graduation ceremony in Cardiff. It's a very long time ago. But some things have not changed. Cardiff is still a very special city. It's a capital city, great home for students, and you will all, I hope, remember your time in Cardiff with great fondness. Advice. Well, my only advice to you is to be ambitious, to be fair and kind in your dealings with people, and to work hard in your quest to succeed in life. Many congratulations once again, llongyfarchion mawr, and best wishes for the future.
Shemai. Hello. I'm Hannah Doe, the Students' Union President for 2021-22. It has been my honour to be your Vice President Education this past year, through what has been a challenging time. Whilst for many, this has not been the end of the experience you had in mind. However, do remind yourself that your sacrifice this year has helped rebuild the UK and beyond. I want to congratulate each of you on your hard work, determination, and dedication throughout your degree, and thank you for your contributions to the Cardiff University community. We know that for the Students' Union, we wouldn't be able to deliver our services without the endless hours given by volunteers, or through your engagement, so thank you to everyone who has served on a committee, voted in elections, engaged in campaigns, and attended SU nights. Today is the closing of a chapter and the opening of another. You now have the opportunity to show the world what a Cardiff graduate is capable of and become a part of the Cardiff Alumni Network, which lives on forever, amongst many others who you will cross paths with in your life. Each and every one of you has had a unique and individual university experience, This is what makes you the graduate that you are today. We have been through a lot together, both difficult and wonderful times. You have all worked so hard to get to this point, and that has not been unnoticed. You have learnt so much, and your journey through education has not come to an end. There are so many more opportunities ahead in life to learn more. Class of 2021, I wish you all the best for the future. I can't wait to see what you get up to, and once again, congratulations on all your achievements.
As the Interim Director of the Centre for Medical Education of the School of Medicine, I, Professor Helen Sweetland, am honoured to acknowledge and celebrate you, our Class of 2021. This is the part of the virtual celebration where our students' names are read out and you will appear on screen, so please turn your cameras on. I encourage you to celebrate and cheer for each other, your Class of 2021 classmates. And if you are with your families, friends and supporters, please do join in with the events. This is a time for celebration. And so I will now read the names of our Class of 2021. Lowry Thomas, Fiona Andrew, Zoe Hinchcliffe, Victoria Maidman, Rhian Morgan, Georgia Parry, Emir Rees, Alexandra Richards, Chloe Scott, Alexandra Smith, Lucy Taylor, Gethin Thomas, Samuel Tilley, Eve Benfield, Olivia Cranage, Emily Ireland, Gurpreet Jandu, Nia Jarrett, Aziza Khan, Hannah Logan, Kavita Shergill, Lucas Wilcock, Dean Ahmed, Aisha Anderson, and Megan Cox. I now warmly welcome you to unmute yourselves and cheer and clap for each other. Emily Forrest, Hannah Furness, Carmela Hermogino, Emma Lowe, Rohan Ramdani, Chloe Salter, Cameron Smith, Katerina Damyanova, Francis Frayne, Julia Lond, Rachel Lowry, Brianne Archer, Harriet Middleton, Daniel Samuel, Lee Scourfield, Sean Thomas, Hannah Beetham, Amy Clark, Emma Dorjat, Makida Kingu Suseng, Rebecca Neal, Ellie Rowe, Noah Sagua, George Trillo, and C. Yao. I now warmly welcome you to unmute yourselves and cheer and clap for each other. Kiri Armstrong, Katie Crisp, Ellen Davies, Joseph Froud, Elise Johansson, Marcus Johnson, Hakam Mahmood, Kia Mehta, Sarah Venning, and Amy Bancroft. Again, I welcome you to unmute yourselves to cheer and clap for each other. So well done and congratulations to you all. This concludes the acknowledgement of our class of 2021. As a school, we applaud you all. Diolch yn fawr. I am now pleased to introduce a video featuring some of Cardiff's wonderful alumni community.
You came to Cardiff. You worked. You played. You cried. You laughed. And you learned. From Butte Building to Butte Park, from Talabont to the Tav, you made memories and friendships that will last a lifetime. Caerdydd, dyma oedd a dyma fydd eich campws, eich cymuned, eich cartref.
We made lifelong friends and we're still in touch, we still have reunions. And I have to say, of course, I met my husband in Cardiff.
I turned up in Cardiff in October of 1979, a very different city to what it is today. Student life in Cardiff then and now was great fun.
Cardiff University ranks as, one of the top universities in engineering, so here it's the only university I applied for actually.
I made some of my best friends from the people I met in Cardiff. We still travel together, we went on vacation together, we enjoyed nightlife in Shanghai together.
Cardiff University, this is where I came to do my undergraduate degree. This is where I grew up.
And Cardiff is a young city and an eclectic city. If I ever wanted to do it all over again, I don't think I would ever want to study anywhere other than Cardiff.
Cardiff gave me the opportunity to explore. I learned about how to be independent and how to be resilient.
It was the week we played England in 2013 and beat them in Cardiff. England came for the Grand Slam in Cardiff and we blew them off the park. I sent my finals that week.
It's time now to mark your moment. You've worked so hard, overcome so much, and discovered amazing things together. Things change. We face challenges. We grow. And wherever you are, wherever you may go, Cardiff will always be a part of you. Cofiwch am eich amser yn Brifysgol Caerdydd, gydag hoffter a hiraeth yn eich calon. Today, you become Cardiff alumni, ready to shape the world with your resilience, talent, and dreams.
I have never looked back in terms of what I knew I could do. I left with a confidence that I had a technical training that was second to none.
Your time at university is what shapes most people.
Cherish your time, cherish the friendship, cherish your study. You will miss it.
I think the experience doesn't stop with graduation.
And the world needs every great idea that you have, and it needs every great story that you have told.
Always carry with you the good values of being kind to people, being honest to people.
And you'll do your bit to make the world a better place.
Certainly without Cardiff, I wouldn't be where I am today. There's no doubt about that.
Today we celebrate your achievements. And we also look to the future, when we can see you in person to say, llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations.
Hey guys, congratulations.
Llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations.
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 恭喜大家毕业快乐
Congratulations!
Llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations!
Cardiff is so proud of you. Croeso. Welcome to our alumni community.
What a brilliant video that is. I always enjoy seeing that video at the end of graduation. Well, that brings the 2021 virtual celebration to a close. Thank you very much again for joining us today. It's been wonderful to see so many of our class of 2021 join us today, and I'm sure, just like me, it has made you feel very proud to be part of the Cardiff University community. We now welcome you all to visit our school's Flipgrid pages, where you can watch congratulatory videos from staff, alumni and friends of the university. An access code and link to your Flipgrid will appear at the end of this broadcast. So from everybody here at the School of Medicine, congratulations once again on your remarkable achievements, and I look forward to seeing you all at our graduation ceremonies next year. Congratulations all.